How to fix your sleeping schedule. Let's be honest, if you clicked on this video, your sleep schedule is probably a mess. Maybe you are sleeping at 3 am, waking up at noon, and wondering why you still feel tired. But the good news, you can reset your sleep schedule, and no, it doesn't require magic or melatonin overload. Let's fix it real this time. Section 1. Identify the why. First, ask yourself, why did the sleep schedule fall apart in the first place? Was it stress, Netflix, scrolling endlessly on your phone? Understanding the why helps you avoid falling back into the same habits later. Section 2. Cut the chaos. Start by cleaning up your sleep environment. Turn your room into a sleep sanctuary. Dark, quiet, cool, no blinking lights, no distractions, and yes, that means putting your phone away at least 30 minutes before bed. Harsh but necessary. Section 3. Set a sleep window. Pick a realistic bedtime and wake up time and stick to it even on weekends. Your brain loves consistency. Treat it like a stubborn pet. It won't learn unless you train it. Section 4. Use light and darkness. Your body's internal clock runs on light, so in the morning, get sunlight as soon as you can. Open your curtains, step outside, fake it with a light therapy lamp if you need to. At night, dim the lights and stop blasting your brain with blue light. Section 5. Don't overcorrect. Here's where most people mess up. They try to fix their sleep schedule in one night. Don't do that. Instead, shift your sleep and wake time by just 15-30 minutes each day until you are where you want to be. Section 6. Anchor with a morning routine. Your morning's routine is your anchor. Even if you didn't sleep well, wake up at your set time. Get sunlight, move your body a little, and eat something. This tells your brain, hey, this is new normal. Conclusion. Fixing your sleep schedule isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Even when it's hard, start small, keep going, and remember, better sleep means better everything. You have got this. If this helped, give it a like and consider subscribing for more real life self improvement tips. Sleep well. I will see you in the next one.